beauties, and welcome back to the channel. Hi, how are you? If you don't know, my name is Claire, and welcome to my YouTube channel, where it is always beauties, vlogs, or just occasional guests that hangs out with me. Today it's going to be a little bit no makeup involved. It's going to be showing you how this mane gets taken care of, what my hairstyle is always, and how I kind of take care of it after a shower, what products I use in the shower for it. And let's stick around and see how this mane gets nice and clean and beautiful. So I will see you when this is now going to be down and washed and what products I use. So see you in a little bit. Guys, the hair is now washed. The shampoo and conditioner I use is the Pantene Micellar Water shampoo and conditioner. It is really good. I love it for my hair. It is such a thick consistency that I don't really need to use a lot of it. Just like maybe 2 pumps at most. And the same thing with the conditioner. And yeah, I will be right back when my towel is off my head and we're doing something with my hair. So stick around. Alright, hair is down off the towel. Now to make this more manageable, as I like to say, I use this Roscoe Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioner. I got it from my BoxyCharm, I believe, last month or the month before. And I just spray it all over my hair since it is a leave-in conditioner. Ooh. I like to put a lot because my hair is just lovely when it comes to grooming it. And then I use just my comb here, comb it out as so. And just get all those knots out, make it smooth and nice. Yeah, I occasionally use my brush, but not much. But I am actually going to use it today and I just use a paddle brush, which is pretty self-explanatory. And to make my hair smell really good, I spray some of my favorite perfume in it. I change it up pretty regularly, and what I've been using recently is the Hello Beautiful by Bath & Body Works. So we just brush that now to make my hair smell nice and pretty and look really good. Now, usually I pull my hair up into the bun, but today I'm just gonna leave it down and just let it air dry. So that was how I just do my hair pretty much when I wash it, style it. It just hair tie or scrunchie, whatever your preference is. Mine is scrunchie. I grab it when it's still wet and just, usually it's better than this, but loop it around, tie it, and pretty much that's it. But today I feel like leaving it down so it can air dry and look all pretty. So that is the finished kind of hair I always do. I hope you guys kind of enjoyed. It was something different instead of a makeup tutorial. Stick around. Of course, there's going to be a next video that's going to be probably me doing a Q&A again and doing a smoky eye that is maybe in the future. I hope you guys enjoy this type of non-beauty kind of video. Make sure you give it a like, comment down below, a heart emoji, share it with all your friends, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye, beauties.